It's a new favorite product. Let's jump into it. Hello, lovelies, and welcome to my channel. I am Alexandra Monet, and in this video, it is a natural hair video, by the way. We are going to do a twist out. So I went to the store and I got a new product, and I'm really excited about it. It's called the DOUX CREAM. So CREAM stands for coconut, rose water, vitamin E, avocado, and minoy. I put it in the description box below to help me pronounce that. But it is a twist and curl cream. It's for defining a perfect twist out. So I picked this up because, as you can see, this is a very thick product. And recently I've been kind of listening to my hair a little more and what kind of products it likes. And it loves thick, shea butter like products. And as you can see, this is a really thick one. It is not much movement in it, but the slip is definitely there, and I think I would contribute that to it being kind of oily. This product does seem very oily. As I'm looking at the ingredients, I am seeing a lot of oils listed, literally from the top of the list all the way down to the bottom. So yeah, I would contribute that slip that I'm feeling to a lot of oil. So yeah, so let's hop into it. So this is how I am starting this twist out off. This is how we're coming in the game, okay? So like I said, I like very dense natural hair products because, as you can see, my hair is very dense itself. So I start with parting my hair down the middle, and what you will see is I'm getting ready to make 4 sections on both sides. 4 workable sections on both sides of my hair. So that would total 8 workable sections. And in those workable sections, you will see that I probably put about 3 twists there. Okay, so that is the layout of my twist out that I will be doing. So starting from the back, we got this one side of our hair, this nice section, and we are just spraying it down with some water. We have a little bit of oil, we have a little bit of aloe vera in there, and we have a little bit of conditioner in there. Just a nice little mix just to moisturize our hair. So once you get that section in a decent, like you've worked the water through, I think that's a really important part of a twist out, is working the water through. And that's how I'm going to describe it. Literally like you would work in a product or oil. And what I do is I just take this time and kind of loosen up my hair and detangle my hair, finger detangle my hair. Not anything that is going to cause you stress. Just detangled enough so that when you add the product, you're not adding it on to, naps. So anyway, so here's our product here. I'm really excited. And I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And I am going to add a generous amount to this entire section. So this is how much I am adding to this workable section. And if you remember in the beginning of the video, I told you I put about 2 to 3 twists in a workable section. So depending on the length and the density of your hair, you will know how many twists you need to put. For me, I believe it's going to be about 2 in the back. And maybe when I go up to the middle part of my head where, it does get a little dense up there, it's going to be about 3. So yeah, so I work the product into this entire section. And to me, instead of adding product to each little section that you're going to do for a twist, I just like to do the whole section and moisturize the whole section, detangle the entire section, and really work that product in. One, because it allows me to work the product in through all of my hair in between that section and all through it. And also it allows me to work efficiently. Okay. And I know with natural hair, it can be time consuming, and it could be a lot. But as I have been doing my natural hair all my life and doing twist outs, for me, it works to apply water, the product, oil, or whatever you apply to your hair on that entire section and keep going that way. So this is how I'm doing my twist out. As I twist, I also detangle my hair because I've learned that the best twist outs that I get is when I finger detangle my hair. I make sure that there are no knots in my hair or very minimal knots in my hair while I am twisting my hair, because if I'm twisting knots, the twist down isn't going to come out popping. And again, you're going to have to detangle anyway, and sometimes those knots don't come out. So it's always best while you have this water and these conditioning like products that you are kind of detangling your hair as you go. So this is one twist out of probably about 15, and it looks good. It's bouncy, it's juicy, it's shiny, it's moisturized. I love it. When I see my twist looking like this, I know that, okay, this is going to be a good twist out. Like that's how I know. But another way I know is what it looks like, how my twists look and feel in the morning. So everything that you guys saw me do for that one first twist is literally how I will be attacking this next section. So as you know, I kind of already prepped this little section here, so it's not much that I have to do in terms of adding products or water. It's really just going through and kind of detangling my section, so it's as smooth and as my curls are as crisp as possible. So that's what I'm doing here. All right, so the back two sections are complete, and this is what my twists are looking like. So juicy and bouncy and moisturized. I love it. This is what I go for, okay? This is it. So I'm going to, I guess, finish my hair, okay? I'm not gonna bore you guys with the rest of this twist out, but it probably took me about another 30 to 40 minutes to achieve all of these twists, and I probably put about, oh my gosh, I would have to say about 18 twists in. So this is what it looks like. My twists are absorbing the product. It takes some time for my hair to absorb product, so that's why I like to moisturize my hair with water as much as I can before I do put product in. That way it allows for a better absorbance. So that is what's going on here. And this is how much product I use, guys. Like I said, this product is really dense, so you did not need that much. So for this twist out, I barely scraped the surface. And this is what my twists are looking like. And honestly, as I was looking at my twists, I love them the way they were. I might even use this product just as a mini twist cream. So who knows? Maybe I'll do a video on that. Okay, so the takedown, I took down this beautiful, bouncy, juicy side. Oh my gosh, I was really excited when I took this down, and I was so excited to record and show you guys. So I'm going to take this side down on camera. Now, one thing I do want to say about this product, first of all, it gave me definition. Like, normally I do a pretty good job with my twist out definition solely based on my twisting techniques. I have a video on that. Check out my channel. I'll link it in the description box. Make sure you check that out. But this product here, in addition to my techniques that I use, really took my twist out to a whole nother level. Like, my curls are popping, okay? Like, they are popping. And I know you all see it. I know you see it. And yours totally can be popping too. I do highly recommend this product if you are looking for something that is curl and twist out defining, because it does that. Now, I will say, when it comes to moisture, is this product moisturizing? How does my hair feel as I'm taking it out? I don't know, I wouldn't say that it made my hair feel super soft or super very, moisturized. I don't think I can give the product that. Okay, so if you do have a way that you moisturize your hair while it's in a twist out after the next couple days, I would continue to do that. Otherwise, this product, again, first of all, it doesn't even say anything about, leaving your hair moisturized. That's not what it's selling you. It is selling you the defining perfect twist out, okay? And that's what it gave me. As you can see, this is a little section that I did a mini chop on. So I was a little nervous how it would turn out with these with my twist out, and it looks great. I love my little curls on the side. So yeah, this is what it is looking like. So I'm really excited. My hair is very defined. It does feel soft, guys. Don't get me wrong. It does feel very soft. But the definition is what we are here for. It's everything. It's bouncy and it's curly and it is full. So this is what it looks like when I separate the curls and really pick out my roots as much as I wanted to. I didn't want to do too much because I do know that after a few days, the hair is just going to get bigger. So I didn't want to make it too big for now. But this is it, you all. Like, this is it. I love the way that my hair looks, and I do like the way that my hair feels, but I love the way it looks. I love how my curls are really popping. And when I did separate, I do have frizz, but that is a natural thing for my hair and probably for a lot of you guys' hair. But my hair, there is no getting rid of the frizz, and I like that about my hair. So this, looking at how my hair turned out, I know that this product definitely did what it was supposed to do. So I'm really excited. I love it. And this is probably going to be my go-to for a little while. If you see me wearing a twist out, boom, you know what I put in my hair. And actually, I'm really interested to see how a braid out would turn out with this product. So we'll see. So until the next time, I will see you lovelies later. So yeah, make sure you like and comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next natural hair video. See ya.